Today is a new day and we're making our yummy Nigerian egg roll. Yes, this is one of our street food, one of our snacks here in Nigeria, and I'll be taking you through how to make this. But before then, hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Alright, let's get started. We'll start first by boiling our egg. Yeah, we're using 4 eggs here, so we're going to be boiling it. It's going to be hard boiled. Yes, this should be taking about 15 to 20 minutes. So while we wait for our eggs to be cooked, let's move to mixing our dry ingredients. We're going with our flour, and next we'll be adding some granulated sugar. We'll put some salt and then nutmeg. We'll then mix this together, yes, until it's properly combined. And oops, I forgot to add baking powder. Please do not skip this part because it's very important. Add your baking powder, all your dry ingredients at once, and give it a thorough mix. We'll be going in with our margarine or butter, whichever one you have available, and we're going to be rubbing this in. Until we get that crumbly texture. So it should look something like this. When you get to this very point, you know it's time to add in our liquid. So we start by making a well at the middle of the flour mixture, and we go in with our egg. Next, we add our milk. You can add any type of milk, evaporated, full cream, whichever one you like, and go in with your flavor. I chose to use vanilla flavor, and then whisk this liquid together before folding in or bringing together the flour, the dry ingredients. So after mixing this, and it is thoroughly mixed, your dough should be looking like this. Yes, so as soon as this is done, you set this aside, and we go next to our egg. The moment you confirm that your egg has been properly cooked, you then put it inside cold water, allow it to cool off a little bit before peeling it. So we peel, and as soon as we're done with peeling, we begin rolling this inside the dough. So this is how we do the rolling now. You cut a little bit of the dough, you flatten it, spread and flatten it, and then you put the egg in the middle and wrap with the edges of the dough. Use the edges to cover the egg, And as soon as you cover the egg, you roll it to give it that perfect round shape, and you drop it on a flat board, plate or tray. So we go through the process again. You cut your dough. You spread and flatten the dough. Put the egg inside in the middle, and you begin to cover up the egg. And as soon as you're done covering the egg, you mold it with your hands, and you drop on a flour tray. The moment this is done, all this is done, we'll go next to frying it. If you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave nice comments. You can drop questions if you have any, and I would answer you. And I would also like you to try out this recipe and let me know what challenges you faced, how it came out, and how good it tastes. We are frying it at this point, and you just fry until it is golden brown. Please, before frying, do not overheat your oil. Ensure that your oil is not too hot, because before doing this very one, I actually used hot oil and it came out all burnt. Wasted 4 eggs in my flour, and my whole time and energy. So ensure that the oil is not too hot, so that you can get that golden brown color. So our egg roll is ready to be devoured, and guys, it tasted so good, very yummy. We've come to the end of our video. Please stay safe and be good. Until my next video, bye.